and welcome to Sanam's Kitchen. Today's recipe is really savory, soft, spongy and really garlicky sandwich dhokla. This is perfect recipe for breakfast or lunch or even kids meal or kids lunch box. So before we start, please subscribe my channel, and if you like to watch this video in Hindi, please subscribe my Sanam's Kitchen Hindi channel. So take a bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of semolina or suji. To this add half cup of curd or yogurt. The more sour, the more better dhokla will be. Add 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. This is optional, but I like my dhokla very garlicky. Add water and make the batter. The batter should be smooth but not too runny. To this I'm going to add sugar. This is optional or as per taste, and salt as per taste. Traditionally more sugar is added, so it's like khatta and meetha, like sweet and sour. Now I'll divide the batter into 2 portions like this, and I'm going to save a little bit for the middle layer. So to this I'm going to add the garlic chutney, and I'm going to show you how to make this bright red garlic chutney. For that, take 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. I'm using bell pepper, but you can also use red whole chilies. Half tablespoon of sugar, salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or sirka, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will enhance the color as well as the flavor. Now add water and blend it until it is nice smooth paste. So our chutney is ready. You can use this as a dipping sauce or and also into the sandwich dhokla. So our chutney is ready. So let's add this to the batter. Now it doesn't have a perfect measurement, it's more or less according to your preference. So I like very garlicky layer, so I'm going to add more. Now keep this aside. So our batters are ready. Now let's prepare the pan or the thali that you want to use to steam the dhokla. So I'm going to grease the pan. Make sure it's a 1 inch or more than 1 inch deep. Now my steamer is also getting ready. Make sure your steamer is ready before this step. Now to the one part of the batter I'm going to add Eno fruit salt and whisk it in one direction and pour the batter to the pan. Spread it evenly, and I'm going to tap a couple of times and put it to the steamer. Now steam for 5 minutes. So it's halfway cooked. Now it's time to add another layer. So I'm going to add Eno fruit salt to the garlicky batter and then pour that and spread it evenly. And then cover it and let it steam for 5 minutes. So see how bright the color became. Now you can reduce the heat and refill the water if you have to, and then prepare the third layer. So last batch of batter, add Eno fruit salt and spread it evenly. Now steam this for 5 to 7 minutes. And I'm going to check this now. Insert a knife comes out clean, that means your dhokla is done. Now take it out and let this cool, and we're going to prepare the tadka or tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add sesame seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye and let them crack. Add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and chopped green chilies. I chopped lengthwise like this. and curry leaves or curry patta. Now our tempering is ready. Pour this onto the dhokla. Spread it evenly, and I'm going to cut it into square pieces. You can cut it into diamond pieces, like diamond shape. Once the dhokla is cooled a little bit, it's easier to cut. So let me show you how this beautiful dhokla, sandwich dhokla, came out. Look how nice and spongy it is. It is very hard to handle, but it is very spongy and soft. And I'm going to plate this. Beautiful it looks, and it is so yummy, and it is prepared at home, so it is very delicious and tasty. So I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel. You can enjoy this in breakfast with your favorite masala tea. And if you like me, I like to grill my dhoklas, so I put it on the tawa and grill it like this, and it's perfect finger food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.